How to sign in for AliExpress account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to log into AliExpress account, simply you have to launch any web browser and you need to search for aliexpress.com, or simply you can type in AliExpress login and you need to open the official website of AliExpress, which is aliexpress.com. Then you will land on this official interface of AliExpress where you will see sign in or register at top right corner of the screen. Simply click on it. Now select sign in button. A menu will appear on your screen where you can simply enter the password to get into your account. If you wish to switch your account, click switch account and you can enter the credentials of other account as well. For now, let's enter the password. In case you forget password, click forget password link and then you can recover the password from there. Now you have to verify with an SMS code. Simply for that, you have to enter your mobile number and SMS code. Then click on verify button. You can click on other ways to verify. For that, you can verify with your mobile number or you can contact customer service. After that, you need to again enter your password and then you will successfully log into your AliExpress account. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.